back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Today it was an errand running day, or is an errand running day. We went to Target, we went to the grocery store, we went to Lowe's, drove through the Home Depot parking lot. It was a lot, so I got some new plants, and so I wanted to just share some things that we're doing around the house. So we need some more curtains for our downstairs dining room, so I'll share all of that, and as well as we got like an outdoor rug and like replacing some things around the house that I thought were a good idea but like just aren't. So yeah, today's gonna be a pretty busy day, but it's also pretty chill. Like Jesse and I went and ate breakfast food for lunch, breakfast food is always a good idea. So this was our original like entryway rug, but it like slides around so easily, and like anytime someone comes to the door, the dogs just like go crazy and wrinkle it up. So I'm gonna replace it with this new one that we got at Target. Okay. Ooh, she is a lot smaller. She is a lot smaller than the other one, but I think they have, yeah, it has like rubber backing. Do you like it? Can you get off so I can fix it? Huh? Oh, hi. Okay, we're all here. It's a family event. Another thing we got at Target is this outdoor rug. This is what it's supposed to look like. I don't know. Is this upside down? I don't know. This is what it's supposed to look like. I'm gonna show you why we got this outdoor rug, other than it looks really cute. Whoa, there's so many bees and wasps on our deck. It's ridiculous. So we have this hidden by furniture. Ignore our stick. But we have a hole in our deck. A pretty big hole. So we have that covered up by furniture right now. Excuse all the dirt I've been planting. And then we have this like about to be hole. So I'm planning to unroll the rug like right out here, and then we can put the cushions back on the little couch thing and have the ottoman. I might rinse that off because it's kind of gross looking. But yeah, having the rug here, I mean, look how big this deck is. This deck is huge. Another project that we are going to do, we've been getting quotes to get a new deck. Oh my gosh, I just see all the wasps everywhere, and Jesse sprayed them so they're mad. Okay, I'm going inside. I can't. Too many bees. We've been getting quotes about getting a new deck just because ours is not up to code, and because of the previous owners didn't do it right and all of that stuff, but that's really expensive, and we just want to make sure that, come on guys, come inside. We just want to make sure it's as safe as possible, like for us, for the dogs, for people when they come over. So in the meantime, we want to get a rug anyway, but in the meantime, we're just gonna put out the rug. So here's what it looks like. What hole? It's right there. So I'm going to try and film without getting attacked by wasps. So I got these little succulents. There's 4 in there, and then I got this succulent guy. So I threw away some dead plants, like that guy's definitely dead. And then I'm gonna not repot, but plant these in all of the empty pots that I have over there. also got bamboo. Hopefully I keep that alive. Another day, another Target. So we we went to another Target and got these curtains. So they'll be gray and sheer, and we'll hang them here and like in this bay window. And we also got these black curtain rods, so we're gonna put this up now.
Word.
Well, your butt is in the video.
Said I didn't want to be on the internet.
Wait, what is that from? Oh, I said I didn't want to be on the internet. up and we hung these with just like normal curtain rods. They make bay window curtain rods, but you know, we were at Target and ain't nobody got time to wait to order that. So there's that. Now we get to do this big window. The amount of curtains, the number of curtains we would need. So for this window, we just have one. So I'll have to go back to Target and get another one. So that is the third Target trip for curtains. The next thing that we're gonna do, you wanna tell them? Oh, will you? Does silence mean yes? So the next thing we're gonna do is replace the light switches. Like this to, where are they? This. So we have those in our living room right now. So they're just that kind of switch. And like sometimes they come with dimmers, so we have the dimmers for the kitchen and for the living room. So we're just gonna go ahead and do that. Step one, Jesse turned off the breaker to these switches because yeah, we don't want to be electrocuted. Okay. we change these ones into the guest bathroom. Oh, hi. And this one in the dining room. But now Jesse's working on the last one for today. Thanks for watching.